Good morning, brilliant K3B students. How are you today? How was your reading last Tuesday? Is it good? It was easy or difficult? Okay, so at this time, we are going to learn another topic, another final sounds using s and t. Welcome back to a new lesson, and please prepare your ears. You have to listen very well so that you know how to read the word very well. Okay, so most of you can follow the reading pattern and they can learn very fast. So what you will do is always remember what we had learned the past lesson. Okay, so before we go to the new lesson, please bear with me. We are going to review what we had learned last Tuesday. Okay, so these are the things that we learned last Tuesday. Words with f, g, and k. F, g, k. So for the first sound, this is baffle, ruffle, waffle, shuffle, ruffle, duffle, whiffle, stifle, snarfle. What you will do is always remember the beginning vowel. Okay? There are some words that have three consonants or two consonants. Okay, so remember our reading pattern. Okay, for the g sounds, g, angle, jungle, giggle, eagle, rectangle, single, entangle, triangle, struggle, strangle. Again, g, angle, jungle, giggle, eagle, rectangle, single, entangle, triangle, struggle, straggle. For the final sound, k, oracle, article, miracle, vehicle, cycle, tabernacle, recycle, cuticle, cubicle, uncle, motorcycle. Again, final sound, k, oracle, article, miracle, vehicle, cycle, tabernacle, recycle, cuticle, cubicle, uncle, and motorcycle. Okay, so in reading, you always remember how to read with syllables. Okay, you have to divide by syllables so that you can learn very easy. Okay, so always remember the reading pattern so that you can read easily. Okay, and these are the activities. This is the activities that I give you. So most of you got the perfect score. Okay. The activity that I give you is write golf on the spaces to complete the word. If I say eagle, if you heard the word goal, you are going to write goal. Ruffle, giggle, jungle, triangle, cycle, vehicle, rectangle, waffle, duffle, struggle, angle, miracle, and uncle. Okay, so I hope that easy for you to read this final sounds. If you meet in other books, at least you have the idea how to read them. I want you to read this chart again, okay, for you to master this reading. Okay, I gave you 2 minutes to go over it, and after 2 minutes, send me your voice message. Don't send immediately. I want you to master your reading first, okay? Don't rush. Okay, so I'll be back after 2 minutes. Get ready. Wow, excellent. Okay, now we are going to learn the final sound, s and ch. We had already finished some of the final sounds for the past 2 weeks, okay? So we had b, b, k, d, f, g, p, s, and ch. There are some final sounds that we have double D. Okay, sometimes we have double D or double F. Okay, but the same sound as the. Okay, double G as go, double P. Okay, p. Sometimes double T as ch. There are some words that there is only one ttle, only one p, g, p, and also do. Okay, so we will identify later. Alright, so these are the words that end with s and ch. So it is the sound s, and the ttle is sound ch. Okay, so if you hear the words with s, it means that it is S, T, and L, E, okay? So, this one, ch. Okay, you have to listen carefully and you have to listen very well. Okay, so here are the words that ends with the sound s and the sound ch. Okay, most of the words here have the two letter T, okay? There are some words also that there's only one letter T, but the same sound as ch. For the sound s is number one, whistle. Whistle. You can see whistle, whistle, castle, castle, thistle, epistle, epistle, bristle, drizzle, grizzle, pistol, pistol, rustle, and ruster. Okay, rustle, rustle, ruster, pestle, grizzle, tracer, bristol, bristle, epistle, thistle, castle, whistle. Okay, again, remember the word with consonant blend like we, si, or thu, ber, thur, gur, and r. Okay, so as I have given you before, it is the beginning sound with wa, where we wa wa. This is we, whistle, whistle, castle, thistle, thistle, epistle, bristle, drizzle, grizzle, pistol, rustle, and ruster. Okay? For the sound ch, ch, little, little, battle, bottle, battle, bottle, gentle, cattle, settle, subtle, rattle, turtle, title. Okay? So again, final sound ch, little, battle, bottle, gentle, cattle, settle, subtle, rattle, turtle, and title. Okay, I will read again for the last time. Please listen very well. So, whistle, castle, thistle, epistle, bristle, drizzle, grizzle, pistol, rustle, and ruster. tell, little, battle, bottle, gentle, cattle, settle, subtle, rattle, turtle, and title. Okay? I have 7 sentences here. Okay, so have to listen carefully. This is part of your activity, but I want you to read the sentences first before the activities, okay? So that you will just fill in later. Okay, so I will read and have to remember the sound, the final sound, or the missing final sound. You're going to complete this later, okay? Number 1. The road leading to the cattle was modern black top. Okay? Again, the road leading to the castle. This one is castle. The road leading to the castle was modern black top. Number 2, I could run a pasture or cattle on that land. This one is cattle. Number 1, castle. Number 2, cattle. Number 3, the policeman blew his whistle. Whistle. The policeman blew his whistle. Number 4, I find that bristle brushes are the best. This one is bristle. Bristle. I find that bristle brushes are the best. Number 5, the boy was able to break the brittle. The boy was able to break the brittle. This one is bristle and this is brittle. Number 6, the rustle of woman's dress was heard in the next room. The rustle of woman's dress was heard in the next room. Number 7, he had fought a battle with his enemies, the English. Okay, I will read for the last time. The road leading to the castle was modern black top. Number 2, I could run a pasture or cattle on that land. Number 3, the policeman blew his whistle. Number 4, I find that bristle brushes are the best. Number 5, the boy was able to break the brittle. Number 6, the rustle of woman's dress was heard in the next room. Number 7, he had fought a battle with his enemies, the English. Okay, so I want you to practice reading these sentences. Okay, so remember the sight words here and also the word that have or has a final word sol or ch. Okay, so I will read this again later, but I want you to master reading this final sound so and ch. I give you 5 minutes to practice this. Again, I want you to practice first before sending me your voice message. I have told you, do not rush, okay? Take time on your reading, okay? So I will call your name after 5 minutes. Thank you, kids, for your cooperation, and it's amazing that most of you can read this reading pattern, okay? So now I'm going to give you the instruction for these 2 activities. So please be ready. Alright, I want you to prepare your pen and your notebook. So please copy this letter. Okay, so the task number 1 is about listening. Okay, I want you to master your listening skills. That's why you have to listen carefully. Alright, listening, write the correct ending sound s or t. Okay, so number 1, this is whistle. You're going to write s or t. Okay, number 1, whistle. I will do number 1, whistle. So I will write s. Okay, for the rest of this, please write by yourself. Just listen carefully. Number 1, whistle. Number 2, little. Little. What are you going to write? Is it s or t? Little. Number 3, castle. Castle. Number 4, turtle. Turtle. Number 5, bristle. Bristle. Number 6, brittle. Brittle. Number 7, settle. Settle. Number 8, ttle. Ttle. Number 9, rattle. Rattle. Number 10, pistol. Pistol. Number 11, title. Title. And number 12, gristle. Gristle. Number 13, gentle. Gentle. Number 14, bottle. Bottle. And number 15, rustle. Rustle. Okay, I will read again for the last time. Please listen. Number 1, whistle. Number 2, little. Number 3, castle. Number 4, turtle. Number 5, bristle. Number 6, brittle. Number 7, settle. Number 8, ttle. Number 9, rattle. Number 10, peso. And number 11, title. Number 12, gristle. And number 13, gentle. Number 14, bottle. And number 15, rustle. Okay? So answer by yourself. Okay? For the task number 2, so I have to read it again for you to master your reading. Okay? So you're going to write sol or tell. Okay? So number 1, the road leading to the castle was modern blacktop. This is castle. Which one is the correct ending sound? Is it sol or tell? Castle. Number 2, I could run a patrol or cattle on that land. I could run a patrol or cattle. Cattle. Number 3, the policeman blew his whistle. Whistle. Number 4, I find that bristle brushes are the best. Bristle. Number 5, the boy was able to break the brittle. Brittle. Number 6, the rustle of woman's dress was heard in the next room. 7, he had fought a battle with his enemies. The English, this is battle. Again, number 1, write castle. Number 2, write cattle. Number 3, whistle. Number 4, bristle. Number 5, brittle. Number 6, rustle. Number 7, battle. Okay? So, if you forget, please scroll down again and listen very well. Okay? So, I give you 10 minutes or 15 minutes to copy and answer. Okay? So, after 15 minutes, please drop your answers for your for your score. Okay, so I'll be right back after 15 minutes. Okay, thank you kids. So most of you got the perfect score. So that's amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to give you your homework. Please do your homework. Alright, for your homework today, you are going to read the chart with the ending sound good, cold, full, sol, and ttle. Okay, so I'm going to pause the two charts for your reading. Okay, so please read carefully. And number 2, number your notebook 1 to 20 for your spelling quiz on Monday. So how do you write 1 to 20? You're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 20. Okay, so that's why you're going to read the chart with the ending sound good, cold, full, sol, and ttle. Okay, so practice makes you perfect. So please read every day. Okay, thank you for your cooperation for today, and see you on Monday. Bye bye.